안녕하세요. Welcome to Seth's Korean Kitchen. I'm staying in resort in Sorak Mountain. It's Sokcho in Gangwon province. I came from Seoul to Sokcho. It's east of Korea. It's surrounded by mountains, but there is ocean nearby. I climbed Mount Sorak yesterday. I've been looking at Ulsan Bawi every day in the room. And I've finally been there yesterday. I climbed Ulsan Rock, Ulsan Bawi Peak. It's a famous rock. I'm going to introduce specialty food of Sokcho. It's gajami, flat fish. I went to the market and I bought it. It's a specialty of Sokcho. I bought semi-dry and it has a lot of egg inside. Wow! Look at this. The red, it's eggs. People make with this gajami, flatfish, many recipes. Gajami 식혜, gajami 구이, gajami 찜, 가자미조림, etc. Today, I'm going to make braised flatfish, 가자미조림. Shall we begin? Go go! First, I'm going to make sauce. 4 garlic cloves, some green onion, chop 1 green chili, it's spicy. I will use some onion, chopped onion. This is a dark sauce, jinganjang. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons. So this is rice spoon, so I'm going to put more than 3. So this is 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of hot pepper flakes, and this is a soju, Korean strong liquor. It is good to put for smelly fish, especially this flatfish has a certain special smell. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of soju, so it's 2 tablespoons. The sauce is ready. I'm going to use this radish. Slice it thinly and put on the bottom of the pot to prevent the fish from burning. I'll just use few pieces and slice the fish lightly so that the sauce goes well in the fish. Like this. Slice the fish, but not deep, just lightly. Put radish in the bottom of the pot and flatfish. Spread the sauce over the flatfish. pour 1 cup of water over the edge of the pot. Let's boil it about for 15 minutes with over medium-low heat. While cooking braised flatfish, I'm going to make fresh salad. I picked some dandelion while walking around the resort. Some soy sauce, dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of chili powder, some sesame oil, it's a simple but very nice side dish and good appetizer. It has been 15 minutes. Let's open. Wow, smells very nice. And get some sauce, put on the fish. Cover the lid and slowly boil for 5 minutes with very small fire. It's finished. I'm going to add just a little amount of sesame oil for good smell. I have a rice, it's a cooked rice. Many Koreans use it when they travel. It's easy to heat, just 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the microwave. Very nice. I have yummy rice and braised flatfish, 가자미조림, and dandelion salad. Wow, the fish melted in my mouth. Suddenly gone. No more. I will get some salad. The dandelion is a little bitter, but still very fine. Dandelion salad is very nice too. Today I introduce 속초 specialty food, 가자미조림. You go to market and buy flat fish and just cook. Follow my recipe. I hope everyone enjoy my recipe. 감사합니다.